Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to withdraw money from JustMarkets. So here you can see we already in our admin panel where we have 00 USD in here. If I check the demo one, maybe I need to add a new account for the demo. There have various bunch of category where we can select and explore one by one. So if you click on benefit, then you will see something like this, and you can read the information over here to understand more about this JustMarket. So I am going to talk the main topic, how you can withdraw your penny or your dollar. So right now I don't have actual money, but let's try for withdraw some. Let's click on withdrawal. Once you click over here, then you can see we have methods like bank, then crypto. Here they are allowed to use crypto. Here you can see Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we have wallet like Skrill, Neteller, StitchPay. And if I select wire transfer, then they also support wire transfer. All method means you are allowed to see all these methods over here. So the process is really simple to fulfill. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you just choose your account, then provide your account number. If you choose similarly Bitcoin, then you can see it that here you need to be paste your Bitcoin account number, blockchain network you need to be select on, and amount, and just click over here and continue. The process is really simple. I hope you find out this video was informative for you. If you think this was informative, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.